Hello, and thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. It's Dee's World. I will be posting different videos when I get time. I'm a full-time cosmetology student and I work after school, so it's kind of hard to post videos, but I want to make this really quick. This is just an update video on what my hair is currently looking like, my starter locks. You guys can see, I think I'm I'm definitely a month and a half in. Just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of what they're looking like. Yeah, so I retwisted maybe once just to be a little presentable on the salon floor because, like I said, I am a cosmetology student, so I need to look a little presentable sometimes and when I'm at work. What I put in my hair is this mixture. It's green tea and aloe plant, a tiny bit of tea tree oil, and occasionally some organic coconut oil. Let me get it. Okay, it's downstairs, so I won't be getting it, but that's what I put in my hair, and that's about it. So I'm loving it, loving the journey. I can get up and go do a little spray sometimes, tie my hair down with my scarf, which I don't have either, but that's what I do. So thank you guys for watching.